Hello students, I am Dr. Somo Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Mathematics at Amas University, Kolkata. And today I want to share last 1 minute strategy for CSIR NET 2026 June Mathematical Science examination. I qualified CSIR NET JRF at June 2019 and my ranked was, All India ranked was 72. And as a assistant professor or as a CSIR qualified person, I want to share some strategy for CSIR NET exam. I think it will help for you. If you are about to enter the CSIR NET exam hall, this is your final 1 minute strategy. First, relax. You do not need to solve everything. You just need good accuracy. Just mind it. Start with round 1. Attempt only those questions which you are 100% sure about. Focus on linear algebra, real analysis, basic ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation, complex analysis and numerical analysis. If a question takes more than 1 minute, skip it immediately. In round 2, move to moderate questions, use elimination techniques and standard results. In part C, attempt only selective questions. Remember that part C has no negative marking, so take smart risks. In the final round, revisit marked questions, try logical guessings in part C, but avoid blind guessing in part A and part B because of negative marking. Always remember, selection is more important than solving everything. Think about previous year questions patterns, many concepts repeat. And my personal opinion is first solve part B, then part C and then part A. Part B contains most conceptual questions, so you should try part B first. And part C contains more conceptual than part B. So if you first solve part C, then your brain completely hanged and you can't solve part B. But don't start with part A questions. If you give time in part A, if you give time in part A, then you can solve, and you cannot get time to solve parts B and part C. First solve part B, then part C, and if you have some time, then waste this time for part A. If you don't waste this time part A, don't need to solve part A. Use your time for part B and part C. It will be suitable for you to qualify CSIR NET exam. And most importantly, stay calm. The paper feels tough for everyone. Your rank depends on relative performance. Relax, and you will be qualified CSIR NET exam. Just as a last day, just focus on the topic. Focus on the area from where the questions came in the last few years. And the final mantra: easy questions first, then moderate questions, and next smart guesses at the end. All the best for your exam. You have got this. Go be the king of your own kingdom.